So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you, breaking down to you how to identify what I see the easiest way to enter a trade with any currency, whether it's forex, Bitcoin, stocks. These repeated pattern happen. It happens guaranteed. You just got to know how to spot them. And the way to spot them, and it happens on any time frame also, but the way to spot them, you have to mark up your support and resistance, because the three pushes happens within support and resistance. See, this is support and resistance right here, but these wide boxes are also support and resistance. You have to mark it up so that you can see the pushes bouncing off support. First push, consolidation. Second push, consolidation. Third push. Here we got three pushes, but you can only see this on a 5-minute time frame, because that's where you see the details of the three pushes. You see a push, consolidation, push, consolidation into support. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame so you can see. Here we go. What we saw on the 30-minute time frame, this is exactly it right here. We have one push here, price respected, resistance. We have a second push right here, and we have the third push right here. It ran right into support. So when you mark up your support and resistance, you will see, once you see this, you're going to be like, oh, okay, I see what he's talking about now. It becomes easy to spot it, but you have to mark up your support and resistance. You have 1, 2, 3, and then what happens? You have three pushes coming up. You have one strong push here, consolidation candle, a second push, consolidation, and then we get a third push. That one candle gave us a third push into this, what I call detailed support or resistance. In this case is resistance, and by detailed I mean the high and the low of the closing candle, right? So when you mark up your support and resistance, you can put, if you're going to mark it up with these squares like this, you can put those on the closing candle. On the closing candle, like when the candle closes, let's say right here, let's mark up this consolidation on the closing candle, and then I use these dotted lines to mark up the high and the lows of the candles, and I call those, so that I can know, detailed support and resistance. Now, like I said, it happens on every currency, and it happens on every time frame too. The higher the time frame, the better. You may catch more pips, but it also depends on the currency also. But as you can see, three pushes off resistance, right back into support, three pushes up, respecting resistance, came back down, another three pushes, and this is what's currently happening now with gold. So keep in mind, if when you mark up your support and resistance, look for these moves, look for these three pushes. You will start to understand that when price runs into resistance or support after three pushes have been done, we will get some kind of reversal, like it happened here. I just showed you that on the 5-minute time frame, right? This is on the 30-minute time frame right here. Strong move right here, nice amount of pips. It happens on any currency. Let's go to Bitcoin. Here we go. We have three pushes here. 1, consolidation, 2, 3. And like I said, you have to mark up your support and resistance. If we go all the way back, like I said, go look to your left. Look to where that resistance or support is at. You see? Boom. Price respected, resistance, came back down. Now where's the support for this push right here? It's around here somewhere, this whole thing. You look to the left, we have some resistance right here. Let's mark that up. This is Bitcoin, by the way. So it happens. This is how price moves automatically. This is a guaranteed move. So when you understand, when you are able to identify these moves, you should always be able to see yourself entering a trade after you get a confirmation type of candle. When price respects support or resistance, confirmation candle, consolidation, drops. 3 pushes coming up, 3 pushes coming down, right back into support. Like I said, mark up every detail, support and resistance. There you go. Right back into support. Another 3 pushes up. We could do this all day. Three pushes coming up. When you mark up your support and resistance, it goes all the way back because all of this is being respected. Price always respects support and resistance. That's why we always see these 3 pushes happening. It's coming up, it's coming down. These 3 pushes, you can also identify it as higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows. To me, that's too much. So I identify it as 3 pushes. I mark up my support and resistance. When I see these 3 pushes coming off support, coming off resistance, I already kind of know that depending on the structure, also on the higher time frame or even on the lower time frame, I'm either gonna get in to get my quick 10, 15, 20 pips off of gold or any other currency, because price is respecting the structure of what's happening within support and resistance. This is as easy as I can explain it. So like I said, mark up your support and resistance, mark up your consolidation zones so that you can see the breakout to decide whether you're going to get in after the second push. Because once it hits, once that third push finish, it's very likely that because of what's going on here, all the way to your left, price is going to respect what's going on. And it's gonna give you this, what's happening here. It gave you that pause, so it started consolidating, broke up, 3 pushes up, gave us a high, and it gave us this head and shoulder type of structure formation, M type pattern. And look at what's happening now. This is what's currently happening now. Gold is about to open up again at 6 p.m. But we have 3 pushes here. We have 1, 2, and 3 pushes right off support. These are the 3 pushes I showed you on the 5-minute time frame, and then I came back to the 30-minute time frame to show you guys what's currently happening. So now, according to the higher time frame, like the daily, let's see. As you can see on the daily also, you mark up your support and resistance, you're going to see these 3 pushes happening. Respecting support, respecting resistance, W type pattern. This is what I look for to enter a trade. Confirmation, support and resistance give me that type of confirmation when I see the 3 pushes happening. So right now price is at a strong resistance right now. And we have some strong bullish candles. What's today? Yeah, since last week we have some strong bullish candles. This candle was this indecision type candle, spinning top. We'll see how price continues to, if it's gonna continue to push up or is it gonna respect this resistance on the daily and maybe start pushing down. That's something that we will see within these next hours. But I just wanted to show you guys that with even like I showed you with Bitcoin, 3 pushes. It does not matter the currency. 1, 2, 3. 3 pushes. Off support, off resistance. Mark up your support and resistance so that you can see these moves happening. Now it might be more details. You could get a one-on-one session with me or something. Just hit me up. It's not free, but you would definitely benefit a lot if you're looking for more details. But this is a lot. I just gave you a lot of details. Pay attention to the moves. Mark up your support and resistance, and just identify. Look at how price is moving, and you will see. You will hit me up saying, "Yo, I'm starting to see what you're talking about." You know, so I hope you enjoyed this information. I will make more videos every time I either I enter a trade, or if I spot the pattern on any other currency, whether it's stocks or anything, and I'll just keep sharing it on my channel. For now, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, give it a like button so that YouTube can share it with everybody else that's looking for some type of strategy, and I don't even call this a strategy, because this is a pattern that price does. This is straight price action. It's not a strategy that you just come up with, right? So you see the 3 pushes, 1, 2, 3, and we have some support right here. So when gold opens up soon, we'll see if gold is going to break above here to come into this next resistance zone. And then we'll take it from there. If price respects this and keeps pushing down, I'm waiting for a break below this little small minor support and resistance, and I'll decide if I'm going to take sales after that. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, subscribe to the channel, man. Comment, and give it a like.